So I was actually sitting idle the other day thinking about what video I should film next, and then it just clicked. I realized I have way too many lip balms, so today I'm going to share my favorites ranging from 200 all the way up to 1500. This is the Mars Lippy Top Hydrating Lip Gel in the shade Toasty Raisin, and it retails for 199. The first thing I notice is how hydrating it feels on the lips. It gives a really beautiful sheer tint that just makes your lips look naturally glossy and healthy. The formula has a slightly thicker Vaseline-like consistency. It doesn't feel heavy, but it does have that cushiony layer on the lips. Because of that, it stays on for about 1 to 2 hours if you're not eating. It's not completely occlusive like petroleum jelly though. You can still feel some hydration from it. And just to clarify, this is not a dupe for Laneige. Laneige is much glossier, feels lighter on the lips, and is significantly more hydrating. And so the next product is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. It retails for 750, but you'll usually find it online for around 600 to 680. This is honestly the one lip balm that completely changed the hydration game for me. I've been using it for about 6 to 7 years now, and back then I used to struggle with really dry and chapped lips. As you can see, the tube is almost finished, which says a lot. What I really love about it is the texture. It feels lightweight, very hydrating, and gives your lips this glossy finish. So it almost works like a lip gloss as well. I usually keep it in my bag for that very reason. It also has a very subtle berry scent, which I personally enjoy. But if you specifically look for PETA approved or vegan beauty products, this might not be the one for you. Next, we have the Roman Glasting Melting Balm in the shade 05 Nougat Sand. It retails for 940, but you'll usually find it online for around 700 to 800. This lip balm honestly surprised me a lot. I don't usually reach for tinted lip balms for everyday wear, but the formula on this one is beautiful. It's slightly thick, but somehow still feels very lightweight and comfortable on the lips. The shade Nougat Sand also looks really flattering on me. It gives me a soft, glossy tint that looks very effortless. Another thing I love is the fragrance. It actually reminds me of something I used to eat as a kid, those Pepsi Ice candies, and it has that nostalgic scent. I have genuinely fallen in love with both the formula and the fragrance. And for a balm, it's pretty long lasting too. If you don't eat or drink, it stays on for a good 3 to 4 hours. This is the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade 510 La Nuit Sparkle. It retails for around 950, but you can usually find it online for 850 to 900. Honestly, I bought this purely because of the shade. I saw a creator applying it on Pinterest and immediately wanted it. It's very hydrating and the plumping effect is quite noticeable. But the plumping comes from menthol, so using it too often could potentially dry your lips or make them appear slightly darker over time. So I prefer using this one occasionally rather than every single day. What really makes it special though is the shade. It's a really unique cool toned brown and not many creators in India talk about this one. Then at last we have the Dintro Bronte Melting Glow Lip Balm in the shade 303 and it retails for 1500 and is currently only available on Skin Bay. The brand has also just launched globally, so it's fairly new. The texture is exactly what the name suggests. It literally melts on the lips. It has that thick glossy but still hydrates like a lip balm thing. This particular shade looks beautiful on me where I'm wearing makeup, but without makeup it can lean a little to pink and slightly washed out. You can also use it as a gloss topper because of how shiny the finish is. It is definitely on the expensive side, but if you enjoy melting balms and love collecting good lip products, this is a really lovely one to have. Let me know what you guys think about these lip balms in the comments below. You can check out the product links in the description, and for a few of them you can even get a discount using my referral codes, and that too I'll be mentioning in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one.